There's never really been a moment where I've not wanted to be out on the track. It's hard to explain, but I feel like the track is just kind of where I belong. This is a story about my life and the place I love most. When I was younger, I got a point-and-shoot camera, and we would go out to the local motocross track with my cousin who raced a lot, and we would make super cringy YouTube videos. And then now I've been invited to a couple races, and from then I've just been hooked, and it's just gotten bigger from there. Bike to go vroom vroom, and then we go and bam, cool pictures. So here they come right now. My thought process during the races usually is just figuring out how to capture better looking photos and all than what other people would expect. And so typically when I'm in the woods, it's setting up on corners, figuring out where they're hitting corners and maybe kicking up dirt in the back. Yes, sir. During races, typically there are some challenges that come with taking a photo. One can just be another photographer getting in your way. Oftentimes we're all trying to accomplish the same task, and it's difficult to work around each other sometimes to accomplish a task. Got the ND filter on the end. You gotta keep that shallow depth of field, if you know what I mean. Then we're gonna go over there. After a race, typically the clients will want their photos right away, so after the race I will get on the road, let someone else drive, start editing the photos, sorting through a lot of photos, and then distributing those photos to the clients. I think, just looking back, that most of my journey has just been hoping for the best. I mean, honestly, half the time I just show up to the track, point the camera, and hope for the best. And luckily, my friends and family have just been able to give me a lot of great opportunities that I couldn't have imagined 10 years ago that I would be producing the videos that I'm producing today. Overall, I think that the journey is just beginning and the excitement has just begun.